Hey there, Christina here from Aisle Planner. Just thought I'd walk you through how to update your global notification settings in Aisle Planner. So once you're logged into your account, just click on your name towards the top right of your screen and select My Account from the drop-down menu. From here, click on the Notifications tab, and here is where you can update your notification preferences. So we have notifications divvied up into two sections. We have your project-related notifications, and if you scroll down, you'll also see your company-related notifications. Within each section, you'll see all the different types of notifications, and you could just adjust whether you want to turn it off or on by clicking on the check boxes. For project notifications, please note that any changes you make here will only affect new projects going forward. It won't affect any existing projects. And any changes you make to notifications here are specific to you as a user. So if you turn off notifications, adjust notifications, or batch your notifications, it's only going to affect your own personal notifications. That sums it up, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team at customercare@aisleplanner.com.